We're going to unbox the high-speed waist fan, wired powered bank SF008, not 7. Here it says outdoor waist fan, 5 speeds, display screen. It's got some stats, some stuff there. Let's get this sucker open and see what it is. Who knows what's in this thing? Oh, there we go. A lot of stuff fell out. Where? All right. Oh, nice. Oh, Lynette will be getting this one. So it's got a light on it. Oh, it has its own cords. Check that out. So if you've got that old Apple, not a 15, but like a 14 or 13, you've got this connector. And if you've got the new Apple 15 or 16, you got a USB-C, which is nice. So those things are built in. They're right in there. You don't lose them. So this will charge them. It has this little thing here that you slip onto your waist, right? Over here, I don't think there's anything. Oh, here, there's some buttons on it. So let's just press it, see what happens. Oh, look at that. Wow, that's cool, huh? It's at 72%. You can see it there. Let's press this one and see if the fan kicks in. Oh, look at that. Check it out. I'm just cooling myself down, you know what I'm saying? I can turn the light off too, I think. Oh, look, it blinks. And it goes off. So the light's got on, press and hold, on, click, blink, click, off. So to turn it on, you got to hold it. Then to change it to the blinker, you could do that, and then it turns it off. And then this, I think it may turn it up. Yeah. So now it's more stronger. See if it's got another. Okay, that's the strongest. So I got 3 of those. Yeah. Woohoo. Now let's see if it's got another one. Oh, it's got 4. It's got 4 speeds. Woo! All right, now let's see what happens. 5 speeds. Oh, wow. That's pretty strong. Let's see if it's got more. One more, ready? Oh, it goes off. So this has got 1 speed, 2 speeds, 3 speeds, 4 speeds, 5 speeds. Off. Okay. And there's your little USB-C to charge it. So let's go ahead and charge this bad boy up. Let me pull this one. Right here, I've got it hooked to a block. So, and that's hooked to 110. And so let's go to our charging port. You ready? And let's charge it up. We're at 71. So let's get it up to 100. And that is our power bank. And we can plug our phone into it. We can use the fan. We can use the light. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I must say. So it also comes with like a lanyard that you can put around your shoulder. You can hook it onto it. I think that it has, somewhere on here, it has a place where you can connect. Oh, look at this. Both sides have like a waist thing. Whoops, I just turned it on. Whoops. Oh, this is interesting. Look, when I do it, it tells me where I'm at. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off. Just let you guys know that. So anyway, this lanyard has got to be connected somewhere on here. I'm just looking to see where we could connect it. I found out where the lanyards go. See these little things here, one here and one right here. That's where they slide in. Anyway, here's your USB-C. You can see I've got it on this block. And we're at about 74, so it's going to take a while to charge. I think it's pretty cool. All right. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on stuff like this. Peace out.